like a Hellcat.
Ooh, don't poke me in the fucking mouth. Right underneath this.
It ain't gonna hurt you.
Well, I'd rather it not fall down and hit me in the nuts.
Get out of here. It's deep.
That's nice.
That's the crackles.
Down there. What's doing there? Fucking twat.
Here, I got you.
Hold that bastard up there, would you? Okay.
You sure that's right?
28 and a half.
Yeah, just making sure. You never know. Gotta ask those questions. Whoa.
I was saying, we need like one of those 3-inch to 3-inch adapters.
They have those.
Do
You wanna get one?
Do you think they'll carry it in store though?
Yeah, they have them in the back. Those little adapters.
Hand me my phone.
O'Reilly, this is Rick. May I help you?
Hi Rick, I'm wondering, do you guys have a 3-inch to 3-inch adapter? You know what I'm talking about?
Exhaust adapter.
Yeah, it'd be an exhaust adapter.
You look tired.
A little tired. I'm not taking a nap, but